structural integrity here at the bow is critical.
Yeah, if we adjust the ballast tanks like this, we gain stability.
Yes, that solves the issue.
Comparing these two giants of engineering, the cruise ship dwarfs the football stadium by nearly 30%.
We're seeing high stress concentration here at the bow.
Yes, the current wave frequency is causing excessive pitching. We need to adjust the ballast settings.
Increasing the forward ballast now.
This design is exactly what we needed. I'm thoroughly impressed.
Thank you. The team worked hard on the revisions.
Excellent. Let's move to production.
Check this section right here. The measurement looks inconsistent.
You're right. The fillet weld gauge confirms it. Let's document this discrepancy.
Easy now, bring it down 5 centimeters. Watch the starboard side. Looks good, keep coming down.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on port 3.
Trajectory adjusted. We are green for docking.
We have a critical overload in Sector 4. Initiate the reroute sequence now.
Acknowledged. Rerouting power to the eastern grid.
We route the main line over this support beam, matching section C on the blueprint.
Understood. I'll adjust the hanger now.
Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Clear on this end, looks good, lock it in. All right, bring her down easy. Watch the starboard side. Looks good, set it down.
Bring the next stack over. We're almost done with this row.
Okay, this one's secure. Let's move to the next section.
The sauce is perfect. Well done.
Thank you, Chef.
We need to verify the alignment on level 3 before they proceed.
The sensor readings here show a slight deviation.
Let me check the schematics again.
Attention, this is a simulation. Proceed immediately to your assigned muster stations.
Keep the line moving, swiftly and calmly.
Tracking solution established. We have a solid lock.
Logging results. Test sequence complete.
Bring it down easy now. Watch the port side.
Okay, lining it up. Start tightening.
Looks good. It's secure.
Confirm the new heading, 050.
Confirmed, Captain. Course adjustment complete.
Captain, the cyclonic system is intensifying rapidly. We should alter course now.
I agree. Plot a new heading, bypassing the center.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the right side. Got it. Looks good from here. Keep coming straight.
Lower the crane, nice and easy now.
All right, she's down. Get the torque wrench on that bracket.
As you can see on the radar, the vessel is maintaining a steady course. And the projected turn time remains unchanged at...
Adjusting course by 5 degrees starboard. Reroute auxiliary power to the scanners.
Confirmed. Rerouting now.
Harbor Control, this is the Red Hook. We are proceeding outbound with the CMA CGM. Crew, maintain tension on the foreline.
The rust on this securing mechanism is worse than the last survey.
I've logged the corrosion details. Do we need a priority replacement order? Check the release mechanism expiry here. It looks corroded.
Okay, noted. The davit status is clear, though. Ready to sign off on the muster station?
Yes, verified.
Welcome to the team. This blueprint highlights the key safety areas.
And this symbol here refers to the lifeboats, correct?
That's right. Great question.
Okay, easy now. Clear the stack on the left. Coming around, hold it right there.
Modern shipping relies on advanced environmental systems. Our ballast water treatment prevents the spread of invasive.
Would you travel on?